Got a React interview coming up? Let's get you prepped with the most common questions and answers.
Yeah, React jobs are everywhere, but those interviews can be tricky. So let's dive right in.
All right, we're going to hit 5 key areas interviewers always focus on. You'll be ready for anything.
Okay, let's start with a classic. You're definitely going to get asked about the virtual DOM. The virtual DOM is a lightweight copy of the real one. It makes updates way faster.
Next is JSX. It's basically a way to write what looks like HTML right inside your JavaScript. But remember, browsers don't get JSX. That's why we need tools like Babel to translate it.
All right, moving on to components. A super common question is how you handle form inputs.
You've got 2 main ways: controlled, where React state handles the data, and uncontrolled, where the DOM does.
They'll probably ask about styling too. Be ready to talk about these 4 common methods.
Now for the real power of React, state and lifecycles, and that means talking about hooks.
When you're explaining hooks, knowing these 3 rules is absolutely key. It shows you get it.
UEFACT is like a Swiss Army knife. It handles all the big lifecycle events in your components.
Want to impress them? Talk about performance. Memoization is a big one. It's all about caching.
Because at the end of the day, better performance means a way better user experience. Simple as that.
Knowing these optimization tricks shows you can build apps that scale, and that's huge.
For example, React.lazy and suspense are great for loading components only when you need them.
And finally, you got to show you can test your code. Jest is the go-to framework here. So in Jest, you group tests with describe, and each individual test case goes in an it block.
Snapshot testing is a really cool Jest feature. It catches unintended UI changes for you.
Oh, and don't forget mocking. It lets you test a piece of code completely on its own.
And that's pretty much it. Nail these topics, and you're showing them you really know your stuff.
So you've got the roadmap. Which concept are you going to master first to get ready?